This is our discrete mathematics syllabus. From this, I already discussed chapter 1, it's about logic. Chapter 2, it's about set theory. Next is chapter 3, it's about graph theory. In graph theory, I will discuss connectivity, matching and coloring. I divided graph theory into some subtopic like graph terminology and special type of graphs, representing graphs and graph isomorphism, connectivity, Euler and Hamilton path, planar graph and graph coloring. So we'll start with graph terminology and special type of graph. First, what is graph? Graph is a collection of vertices and edges. Vertices we can also say as nodes. So definition 1, it's about graph. G equals to VE, where V is a non-empty set of vertices or nodes and E is the set of edges. Each edge has either one or two vertices associated with it. So this is a edge. Here is one vertex A, another vertex B. So each edge can be associated with two vertices or one vertices like this. This is A. So here this edge is associated with one vertices here, and these are called its endpoint. So for this edge A, B are endpoint. For this edge A is the endpoint. So an edge is said to connect its endpoint. For this edge A and B are its endpoint, and it connects this A and B. B cardinality is for set of vertices and E cardinality is for set of edges. There are two types of graph. One is directed graph, another is undirected graph. If one edge have some arrow mark, this is a directed edge and the graph called as directed graph. If the edge have no arrow mark, then it is the undirected edge and the graph called as undirected graph. So now we'll discuss about undirected graph and later we'll discuss about directed graph. A graph with infinite set of vertex and infinite set of edges called as infinite graph, and the graph with finite vertex set and finite edge set called as finite graph. Mainly we focus on finite graph. We can represent in a paper that is a finite graph. We can count the vertex, we can count the edges. Next is simple graph. A graph in which there are no loop and no multiple edges is called a simple graph. So here each edge connects two different vertices, means there are no loop, and where no two edges connect same pair of vertices means there are no multiple edges. That called as simple graph. Graph may have multiple edges called as multigraph, and if when a node connects to itself means there is a edge to itself, it's called as loop. Graph that included loop and multiple edges called as pseudo graph. Simple graph, no loop, no multiple edges. Pseudo graph contain loop and multiple edges. Now definition for directed graph. Directed graph contain the directed edges. So a directed graph, or shortly called as digraph, VE consists of non-empty set of vertices V and set of directed edges or called as arc. Directed edge means there is a arrow mark in the edge. It's called as arc. Each directed edge is associated with an ordered pair of vertices. The directed edge associated with the ordered pair UV is said to start with U and end with V. Suppose this is U, this is V. We can say this edge start with U and end with V. So U is the starting point and V is the ending point. Or we can say U is the initial vertex and V is the terminal vertex. Let's see some example of different type of graph. This is a simple graph. There are no multi-edge and no loop. It's based on the location. Now next, this is a multi-graph. There are multiple edges. You can mark between Los Angeles and Denver there are two edges. Between Denver and Chicago there are three edges. So there are multiple edges between same vertex. So it's a multi-graph. Next is pseudo-graph, means it contains the loop plus multiple edges. So here you can see there are loops and there are multi-edges. So this is a pseudo-graph. Next is directed graph, if it contains the directed edges. So these are some types of graph like simple graph. It doesn't contain loop and multi-edge. Multigraph, it contain multi-edge. Pseudograph, it contain loops and multi-edge. Directed graph, it contain directed edge. So directed graph that may have multiple directed edge called as directed multigraph. This is a directed multigraph as there are multiple directed edge. You can mark from Denver to Chicago there are 2 edges. From Chicago to Denver there are 2 edges. So there are multiple directed edges, hence we can say it as directed multigraph. When there are m directed edges is associated to one order pair UV, we say that UV is an edge of multiplicity m. So here we can say Denver to Chicago multiplicity is 2. There are 2 edges from Denver to Chicago. If one graph contains both directed and undirected edge, it's called as mixed graph. So there are some graphs that have both directed and undirected edges that called as mixed graph. Let's discuss what is difference between these graph. First is simple graph, edge is undirected, multiple edge allowed, no, loop allowed, no. Next is multigraph. In case of multigraph, multiple edge are allowed and loop are not allowed. Then is pseudograph. In pseudograph, both multiple edge and loop are allowed. Next is simple directed graph. Here edges are directed. This is a directed edge and this is a undirected edge. So in case of simple directed graph, multiple edge allowed? No. And loop allowed? No. Next is directed multigraph. Edge is directed. Multiple edge allowed? Yes. Loop allowed? Yes. Next is mixed graph. Mixed means both directed and undirected edge contain. And here multiple edge and loop are allowed. In today's lecture, I discussed some basic types of graph like simple graph, multigraph, pseudograph, directed graph, directed multigraph, directed simple graph, mixed graph. In next lecture, I will discuss some more terms like adjacent, degree, in degree, out degree. If today's lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.